Hi, I'm Bored and Thought, and I have really exciting news. My lovebirds had baby birds! I'm so excited. I think it's three, but I'm not sure because I didn't want to get too close and bother them. They've been doing a really good job taking care of their babies. They're in a Snuggie, which is why we kind of didn't know that they were going to have babies because Sparta laid her eggs in the Snuggie, so they're kind of hidden. And yes, all of a sudden one day I just start hearing chirp, 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 and I wasn't sure, and now I'm absolutely sure she has babies. So super excited. The other thing that I want to talk to you about is my dreams. I guess my horoscope video had brought this up in conversation, and I had a request to make a video about it, so I will. I am. My dreams are basically they're when I'm sleeping. I don't sleep much. I get sleep deprivation. Can't sleep anymore because work is on my mind and then studying and whatnot. Thank God I'm almost done with school, and then I don't have to sleep so late. I shouldn't be on YouTube at night either. Whoops. But anyway, um, so my dreams are very kind of in a small amount of time. I don't have too many dreams anymore because of the lack of sleep. But when I do dream, usually it's of a problem that I'm having in my regular life, and obviously it's distorted and whatnot, but it's my way of trying to find a solution one way or another. Also, my dreams are my goals and my aspirations and my desires, my innermost desires, what I really, really want. Sometimes I'll dream about it. Like if I really want, I don't know, a new car or a house, whatever, stuff like that, do well in my career or find a solution to a problem I'm having in my career. That's kind of where my dreams come in, but obviously it's a combination of everything that's going on in my life. And so, whatever I see in movies, of course, somehow mixes into there. But I do have some weird dreams. But it is every once in a while that you have one of those really happy dreams where I don't know, you fall in love or you're just walking blissfully through a meadow field. I don't know. I do have dreams like that where I'm absolutely happy, and I think those are probably the best to wake up. That's what you call a good day. But on the other side, ever since I was a kid, I used to have these things called night terrors. Not nightmares, night terrors. I would wake up in the middle of the night and I would see some sort of a figure in front of me. Most of the time, figures like right above me. Like I would wake up in front of my face. Um, Different kind of creatures, black or gray feature, like figures and red eyes and zombified faces or witch looking like, and just really creepy stuff like creatures. I don't know how else to describe it. Or maybe some people would say demons. I don't know. But pretty creepy stuff to wake up to. Sometimes I would just scream at the top of my lungs. It would be one good scream, not multiple, just one good scream. It would scare everybody out of bed. And it's not funny, but it is funny. I've had my in-laws try to give me some religious solutions to try to fix it, and I've had my mom, she looked up what it is, what is causing me to see the stuff at night. No, I don't see dead people like the movie, but I guess it's called night terrors, where it's, I suppose, because they have unresolved child issues or something like that, that it carries on into adulthood where I don't know, look it up, Google it, some stuff like that. But it's kind of creepy though, I gotta say. I don't know if any of you guys have seen anything like that in your sleep. Tell me about it. 'Cause don't make me feel like I'm all alone out there. Sometimes I do feel like, am I crazy? What's going on? But I haven't seen too many recently, which is great, really, really great. But every once in a while, yeah. I think it's really just got to do with sleep deprivation and mental issues that I wake up seeing this stuff. I don't know, or maybe I saw a scary movie. I do love scary movies and stuff like that. But tell me about your dreams. What do your dreams mean to you? How do you apply them to your life? Do you hold on to that dream for the entire day? Like if you had a good dream, do you hold on to that so all day you have a great day? Or if you have a bad dream, do you go through the day scared of everything's going to go wrong? Or, let me know. But anyway, I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments. Bye.